You hear about that snowstorm?
Yes.
That's gonna be crazy. 3 feet.
What? They said 6 to 12 inches this
They
morning.
know. They said 3 feet.
I'm telling you what I heard this morning.
They said it's gonna be like
9 o'clock.
it's gonna be like New York when they got like 5 feet, and they made that movie about it. The Day After Tomorrow. Remember that movie?
Yeah.
When they got like 5 feet in New York was like trapped for like 7 days or something. That was based on a true story, wasn't it?
I don't know, Mike.
Like Jake Gyllenhaal was really there. And they made a movie about him. And his dad's really like a meteorologist guy, but his dad can't act, so they had to get a guy like Dennis Quaid who's okay at acting, but kind of sucks.
Mike's been around a long time.
Who?
Dennis Quaid.
Dennis Quaid sucks.
Been around a long time. Way before his brother Randy.
Dennis Quaid has a brother?
Randy Quaid.
Never heard of him.
Yes, you have.
I've never heard of Randy Quaid.
Wait a minute. What are they called? Chevy Chase's Vacations.
Mm-hmm.
He's in every fucking one of them. He's the cousin.